So here's the bird we found. It's a little baby. Oh, you alright? Poor thing. Oh, what's wrong with it? We're trying to see. Oh, I see what's wrong with it. Look. Oh no, that looks natural. Uh-oh. Alright. Are you alright? Here, are you okay? Oh, poor thing. Oh, that's really sad. Here, just leave it alone. So, what's sad is this looks like it's a baby, and
We had some finches.
it looks hurt and injured. And what's weird is we had some finches in our fern, the other day. And, I don't know, but this is really sad because it could die or get attacked because it's struggling to even live. It looks like. Here, pick it up a little bit. Well, don't really pick it up, just kind of, help it up. There you go. Oh, YouTube, we're going to have to let you go now. We just wanted to update you on this bird we found, okay? Alright, bye.